Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Yes! Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for Queens County in Southeast New York, Brooklyn and Southeast New York, until 11 a.m. At 10:33 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Sheepshead Bay or near Flatbush, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
I gotta go get that on TV.
Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Canarsie, Crown Heights, Howard Beach,
Gotta get it on TV.
Park,
Mom!
Hills, Jamaica,
Tornado warning.
Clearview Expressway, Whitestone, Jackson Heights, Flushing, and Bayside when a tornado warning is issued. Based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. If you are in the path of this dangerous storm, move indoors into the lowest level of the building. From windows. If driving, do not seek shelter under a highway overpass. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in New York, Brooklyn, and Queens.
God dang.
Here is the forecast.
Wow. Hold on, guys. That's the 30 EAS of the day. Hold on. I need to see if they're going to do that on TV.
20 miles per hour. This afternoon, chance of rain 80%. Tonight, showers or thunderstorms.
Hold on. I need to see if they're going to do this on the TV.
Through midnight, some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Becoming northwest.
First tornado warning of the day, guys. I don't know if they're going to do it on the TV. Let me just go to
New Jersey to Fire Island and let New York out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through Sunday after.
It's not even playing on the weather weather scan.
10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots, increasing to 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet, mainly in the southeast swell. Rough conditions around inlets.
All right, I don't think they're going to do it on the TV. They would have done it now.
Storms late this morning. A chance of sound.
All right, so they're not doing it on TV.